Hello, friends. Today we're going to learn about the company and the warehouse masters available in Inclusive Cloud. So these are two of the very basic master data records that are available in Inclusive, and we'll quickly go over what is important in them and how you can maintain them. Once you log into your Inclusive Cloud system, you can go into Masters and click on Company Master. Normally, we would have your master data already pre-filled in this. So what you normally would have to do is modify your data and update any of the missing information which is available. So maybe it's your PAN number. If you are a private limited company, then your CIN number, your default currency, the address, any of the other details, email ID, website, all these things would have to be updated. Very important to note is that normally on the invoice and the delivery challans or the delivery notes, we print the company address at the footer of the invoice. So keep this in mind to update your company details correctly so that they get printed on your invoice correct. Now, we also have some bank information here, but this purely depends upon what kind of a banking system you want. Say, for example, you are a multi-warehouse company and each of your warehouses maintains a different bank account. Maybe you have a warehouse in Delhi, another one in Bombay. So you don't need to fill the bank details in the company master. You have another set of bank details, which you can fill in the warehouse master and inform your team accordingly. So there's also a contact person details, which is just being captured here, nothing much to do with it, but this is mandatory. So once you update this, you can look at warehouse master. Now in the warehouse master also, you would have already an existing warehouse, which is updated in this. Now you can always go ahead and modify the warehouse. So important to note again is if you want to display your CIN number, if you are a private limited company, you can do that. You put in your city, state, PIN code. Now, PIN code is very mandatory if you are doing e-invoicing or e-way billing, because always there is a distance of the customer's shipping address from your warehouse, which needs to be calculated. And we use the PIN code provided in the warehouse master to calculate this distance. Again, parcel sticker info is the label which is getting printed at the bottom of the parcel sticker. So if you want to print your company name there, the parcel sticker info field should carry your company name. The no stock contact number is the mobile number or the phone number, which goes along with the emails and any other correspondence where you are out of stock. Say, for example, you have a warehouse contact number, which is like a board line, but you also have a specific extension, which is used by somebody who is basically going to be talking or giving information about no stock details. So you can put that number here, and this is the particular number which will get displayed to the customer. Now, in case, as I mentioned, if you have bank details warehouse wise, you can enter it here. And you also have a company GSTN number, which you have to put against the warehouse. So you can have multiple companies operating from the same warehouse, and you could just link it up here and give your bank details and the GSTN number at a warehouse company level also. So you could have two companies, say Infinity Infosystems and Inclusive, working from the same warehouse or different warehouses, having different bank account numbers. So you can even configure your bank accounts which get printed on the invoice, quotation, on any other document of yours from here. So I hope this has been a quick tutorial on how to fill up your company and warehouse masters. Thank you for your time and keep learning with Inclusive Cloud.